Hello my gorgeous people, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, in today's video we're doing another Amazon product review, and it's Imethod Beauty. This is the Perfect Wing Eyeliner Stamp and Pen. It comes in a 2. It comes with the stamp and also the eyeliner pen. So if you guys are into wing liner and you cannot perfect the wing liner, this is supposed to do the job for you. This is the trick, guys. I haven't used this yet, so I'm going to review this with you guys. So let's see what it's all the hype about, and let's see if it really does work. This is supposed to be waterproof, smudge proof, long lasting. So it's supposed to last for a long time, and it's also waterproof for that spring and summertime that is coming, baby. So this is supposed to give you that beautiful cat eye effect. It comes with the stamp and it comes with the eyeliner pencil. So this right here looks just like this. This is what you're going to use to do your wing liner. And when you open it up, it has the thinner side. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then the other side right here has the thicker side. When I open the other product up, it comes with this right here, and it's this cute little packaging. So if you look over here, it has the L for left for the wing, and then it has the R for right wing. So super explanatory, super easy. So we're going to be testing this out. I'm super excited because like sometimes you don't have time to be doing these wings, and sometimes your wings just be looking all big, the other one's looking down, and this is supposed to do the trick. I'm going to start with the stamp first, and then I'll use the liner pen. I put my little headband just so I can have my hair back so we can be close and personal, so we do this right. I'm going to be doing my right eye first, and I'm going to be taking my right eye stamp. So when you open it up, it looks like this. It just looks like a cat eye stamp, a wing stamp. So let's begin. I am super nervous, guys, but this should be easy. Let me see. I'm going to stamp it right. So I stamp it. You guys see that? All right. I'm liking the stamp. That was easy. I actually put it up. So now what I'm going to do is, I think I want a thinner wing. So I'm going to be using the thinner side right over here. And then I'm going to do the thinner wing. And I'm going to connect it. Do you guys see the wing? I have fake lashes on, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but that legit was super easy. Just stamp it and connect it. So let's do the next eye and see if it really match and it looks the same. I'm going to be using the L for left. So that's how the left eye look. And since I did the wing a little higher, I'm going to try to do the wing a little higher. All right, so that's the wing. I stamp it. You guys see that? Now I'm going to connect it and do my wing. I'm going to use, again, the thinner side just to match it with the right eye. All right, guys, so that is my wing. So I do like the product. You guys seen how easy that was. If you follow the direction, you put the stamp on the right eye and then you place the left eye stamp, and then it should give you a same look. The only thing about this product is because I had fake lashes, it was a little bit hard to do the same wing liner, both the same. But I feel like if I didn't have the lashes and my lashes were smaller, I would have probably made the stamp both look the same. But I mean, it really doesn't look that bad. So I do like the stamp. I feel like the stamp was super easy and it did give you that cat eye look, which I really do love. So yeah, I do like it. What do you guys think? Does it look nice? Do you guys like it? I'll give it a big thumbs up. But if you guys do like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until my next video, bye.